come to take over. MC, you better look over your shoulder.